Hey everyone, it's Neil Silverman, co-founder of Traction Technology, and I'm super excited to show you our new Traction AI feature. So you can see we're just here on the home page of Traction, our innovation management platform, and you can see just on the top right in the nav is the Traction AI prompt, which leads you to our feature that gives you the opportunity to look for companies that solve specific problems. You could generate trend reports, SWOT analysis, some company snapshots. So let's take a quick look at how all of this works. So how about we start with some research? Let's create a trend report. So how about the trend of AI for HR? And it's obviously a very high level topic. How are HR departments looking at AI? And it's really great because it starts at a high level, and from here you could look at the results and drill down on any one of these specific areas. So you'll see we're graphing the risk factors, opportunities, challenges, main factors influencing the market, potential growth trajectories, and current trends. So let's look at the current trends. Adoption of AI-powered recruitment and candidate screening tools. That's pretty neat. So we can drill down on that and learn more about the particular topic. And then let's go ahead and scout for technologies that could meet that very specific requirement. So once this finished generating, you can see that's super quick. We'll go here right at the bottom, and let's take a look for companies that we recommend that could help with that specific challenge of AI, for adoption of AI-powered recruitment and screening tools. So let's look at what kind of companies it comes up with. So using advanced reasoning technologies in all of our AI architecture, we're recommending the top 10 companies, both large and small, that we think that are worth taking a look at. Now, once this generates this report, we can click into any one of these companies, go to their profile, see some more information about the company, and then even reach out directly to them. So let's look at Textio. We'll go directly to the profile inside the Traction platform, and this would all be on your private instance of the platform. And you can see you can get a company overview, some of their competitors, some of their customers. You see the last round of funding, if they have some, which they have, their leadership team, which is pretty neat. And then with one click, we can request additional information directly from the company. So that just shows you how fast you can use Traction now and Traction AI to generate a trend report and then drill down and look for particular companies that could meet your requirements, and then reach out to that company on your own. So thanks for listening, and I hope you have a chance to take a pilot and a trial of the platform yourselves.